Coming back to the kitchen, great room area. We'll head off to the other side of the house with another bedroom on the left. No closet though, so could also be an office. Another bathroom with 2 sinks. And a nice tub. The shower overhead. And then another large closet. The master bedroom. A lot of shelving units. With an additional little room off to the right of the master.